guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. It's Friday Fish Day, guys, and we're going to be frying up some cod right along with Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, just hang around because I have a whole channel that'll get you there. And guys, when you get to the end of this video, I'm going to have a link in my description for Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen. I want you to go over there and check out her fried cod too. Guys, it's Friday Fish Day and we're all frying up cod. Let's get busy. Okay guys, we've got to dry our fish off really well. Get you some paper towels and just pat away. Make sure it's good and dry. Now let's get our flour seasoned. Garlic powder, onion powder. We're going to go in with a little paprika, and you know guys, we can't do this without Old Bay. Come on, sprinkle you some Old Bay in it. Who doesn't love Old Bay? All right, guys, we're gonna next stir it up really well and set it aside. Let's get our skillet nice and hot. I'm using sunflower oil, but use any oil you have. I've got about a half a cup here. You can use vegetable, canola, or any oil you want. Make sure it's good and hot. Then we're gonna go in and season our fish directly with salt and pepper. As always, season to taste, guys. Season to taste. If you don't want the salt, leave it off. If you want more, put it on. Make sure you turn it over. Be gentle. This is a gentle fish, so be gentle with it. Flip it over and season the other side again generously if that's what you like, or just a little bit. Salt and pepper. Okay guys, now after we get this all seasoned up, next we're going to go to the stove. Now we're going to have our flour put onto our fish. Dredge it in the flour. Make sure it's covered. It's okay to rub it, pat it down. We just want to make sure that our fish is good and covered with our seasoned flour. Both sides. Make sure it's covered, guys. Then shake off the excess. Flip it over. Make sure you have it on both sides. Shake it off really well. We don't need that extra flour, guys. Then we're going to put it in our hot skillet and wait for it. Listen for that. And then when we're ready, we're going to flip it over. Now the fish will let you know when it's ready. It'll release itself from the skillet, and flip it over gently because the oil may splatter. Be careful, careful. All right now, guys. Yes, now we've got it flipped over and we're almost ready to take it out. Then we're going to get our next piece done. Now the next piece we're doing, I'll give you a little heads up. It's a little bit thicker. So guys, we're going to go in and flour it too. But when you put it in, press down on it because it's a little bit thicker so you can seal that crust. Flip it over when it's ready. Again, it'll let you know to release itself from the skillet. All right, guys, take it out when it's ready. And if you notice, guys, each time I have a clean skillet and fresh oil, I like to change my oil in between my fish. That's not necessarily something you might have to do or want to do, but I like to do it. I like it when it's tender fish to start with a clean skillet and fresh oil each time. Guys, this piece is ready to be flipped and we are just about done. Okay guys, look at this fish. Oh my God, it's glistening. Look how fluffy its texture is. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are getting ready for our taste test. Okay guys, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? Come on now, this is the thumbnail. Yes. Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick taste test here. Oh, it's nice and flaky inside. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Guys, I got another video coming up at the end of this video. Take a look, take a look. This is delicious, guys. Flaky and delicious. You can taste the Old Bay seasoning coming through. Oh my goodness. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, your awesome support. And if you are not subscribed, guys, you can click the button right there. Go ahead and subscribe. Check out this video over here, guys, and don't forget the link in the description for Mama Ray Ray. Friday fish day, fried cod.